Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am super excited because I am going to be reviewing and doing a look on this awesome new makeup collection. For starters, I'm going to show you all the makeup, I'm going to do some swatches, I'm going to give you prices, and after that I'm going to create a look using all these goodies. So I partnered up with the Hunger Game exhibition makeup collection. I'm just so excited to open this box. I've been wanting to open it, but I didn't want to open it or see anything before I showed you guys. I kind of wanted to have like the first impression together with this video. That's how the goodies look inside, so let's get into it. So the collection is called the Hunger Games Cosmic Collection. It's designed and developed by a manufacturer of LA Splash Cosmetics. The line was specifically created for the Hunger Games exhibition. All products are cruelty-free formulas developed and manufactured in LA, Los Angeles. The Hunger Games cosmetics include two collections, the Capital and the Girl on Fire. So the first thing that caught my eyes, and the packaging is so beautiful. These are smudge-proof liquid eyeliners, which I love because I love doing glitter eyeliners. I love doing graphic liners. I love doing colorful eyeliners. So if any of that is up in here, I am all about it. The first color that I'm going to swatch and show y'all is called Claudius. And this is from the Capital collection. The Capital collection has white packaging and the Girl on Fire collection has black packaging. Okay. Oh wow, this is, oh my god, this is super cute. And then it has a crystal on the top. I don't know if you can see it right here. So beautiful. I love this packaging. So here's the swatch. It looks so beautiful. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it has like purple glitter and pink. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next one, and this one's called Finique or Finique. I'm not sure. Ooh, I love this color. So this one's like a turquoise glitter eyeliner as well. How it looks. This is in the color Finique. It's so beautiful and turquoise. It has green and blue glitter in it. It's so beautiful. Watch the last one, and this one's called Victor. Like a silver, white, gold glitter. It's so beautiful. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. This is the color Victor, and this is all three of the liquid eyeliners from the Capital collection. So beautiful. Two pair of lashes. This is in the style Flavius. And then this is in the style Effie. So you also have liquid lipsticks. And these are the two from the Capital. And look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. They also have the diamonds on top. This is how they look. They say the Hunger Game exhibition on them. Okay, so I swatched the Capital liquid lipstick. It is so beautiful. It's like a rich, dark pink. Okay, so this is Girl on Fire swatched over here. This color is so beautiful. Both of them are super pigmented. So the last thing that is a part of the Capital collection is this palette, and this is how the packaging looks. This is how the palette looks. The palette is white and gold. How it looks on the inside. So I'm gonna do small swatches of the four colors where I have no primer on my hand or anything. This is just how they're gonna look without primer, without anything. White Rose. This is how it looks. It's just a beautiful matte white. This is the color Bubbly. It is so beautiful. Okay, so this is the color Effie. It's a beautiful matte fuchsia color. The color Caesar, that blue. It's probably the most pigmented color of the whole palette. This is the whole Capital collection from the Hunger Games makeup collection. To review now the Girl on Fire collection. I'm going to start off with the liquid eyeliners like I did for the other collection. So the Girl on Fire collection comes in this packaging. So this is how the packaging looks. These are black with gold, and they have a red rhinestone on top. And this one is called Embers. Okay, so this is the color swatch. It's just a beautiful brown glitter eyeliner. So this color is called Sienna Copper Gold Glitter Line. So beautiful. So the last color is called Coal. This Cold swatch is just a beautiful black glitter eyeliner. Collection also came with two pair of different eyelashes. The first pair I'm going to show you is called Vinia, and this is how they look. So beautiful. The next one is called Optivia. For the two liquid lipsticks that come with this collection, the first one's called Katniss, which is the main character of the movie. I was wondering why I hadn't seen anything with her name on it, so here goes. This is a beautiful like mothy pink. I am obsessed with these kind of colors. This one has a red rhinestone with a black top. The color looks swatch. It's just a beautiful mothy pink color. I love colors like these. So the next color is called Primrose. This one is like a darker pink. So this is how Primrose looks. This is both of them swatched together. Lastly, the Girl on Fire collection also had an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this is how this packaging looks. It's so beautiful. It's black and gold. Inside, ooh, it is so beautiful. So I am going to go ahead and swatch these 4 eyeshadows for you as well. Okay, so that's how Primrose looks. It is so beautiful. It's just like a baby mothy pink. Okay, so this is Buttercup. It's just a beautiful teddy bear brown. Super matte, super pigmented, super creamy. That is Tigress Swatch. It's just a dark, beautiful brown. It's also matte. This is how Cena looks swatched. It's just a beautiful copper shimmer eyeshadow. This is how the whole collection looks, besides the eyelashes, of course. So beautiful. Okay, so before I start on the makeup tutorial, I just wanted to give y'all prices. So these 2 eyeshadow palettes retail for $25. There is 4 different types of eyelashes that come with this collection. They each retail for $12. This is how they look. Impact Glitter Liquid Eyeliners comes with 6 sparkly shades that can be worn alone or layered for dramatic head-turning looks. Each retail for $15. So this is how the glitter liners look. Lastly, the Soft Formulated Lippy is a highly pigmented liquid lipstick that is weightless on the lip and delivers long-lasting, super comfortable wear. Retails for $18 each. This is how the liquid lipsticks look. They're so beautiful. Now we're going to get into the makeup. I'm going to create a makeup look using all these goodies. So if you want to see what I come up with, then keep watching. So I went ahead and did my face makeup off camera. I'm going to do my eyeshadow and I'm really excited to try these palettes. I'm going to start off with the Girl on Fire palette. This color right here is called Primrose. Right there, that color. So this is going to be my transition color, so I'm going to go ahead and do that to both of my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Buttercup, and I'm going to put this on my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Tigress. I'm going to put that right underneath Buttercup. Now I'm going to use the Capital palette and I'm going to use the white color right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the color Primrose again. And I'm going to pack that on right here in the middle part of the cut crease just to blend it into the white. Okay, so now I'm going to add some glitter and I'm going to use the Glitter Liquid Eyeliner. And this is in the color Victor. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lower lash. I went ahead and put some white base so the colors can really pop. I'm going to go in with this color right here, Eefy. Put it at the beginning of my under eye right here and bring it almost to the middle. I'm going to use the color Caesar, which is this blue right here. Going to add some of this pink glitter. So beautiful. This one is called Claudius. And now I'm going to use the color Fennec. Go back into the Capital palette and I'm going to use the color Bubbly, color right here. And I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. use these lashes right here. This is from the Girl on Fire collection, and this is in the style Venia. See the difference? With a lash, without lash. For lip, I'm going to use the color Primrose. So this is the completed look. Since it was a cosmic collection, I try to keep it glittery and colorful and still kind of wearable. The glitter eyeliners were my favorite thing from the whole collection because they're so multi-purpose. You can use them on top of your eyeshadows. You can use it how I did today. And I want to share a couple other facts before I close out the video. All of the products are available to purchase at the Hunger Games, the exhibition at MGM Grand Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada, and online at thehungergamesexhibition.com/shop. I will put all that information down below. I had so much fun creating this video. I love the Hunger Game theme. I love everything, the packaging. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and leave me some comments down below. Let me know which of all these products was your favorite. I'll be back with another tutorial soon. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.
There ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass.